WeSave Robo-advisor for investing full review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to WeSave are in the description if you want to explore it further. WeSave is a modern robo-advisor designed to simplify investing while maximizing returns with smart, personalized strategies. It targets individuals who want a hassle-free, hands-off approach to wealth management while still maintaining control over their financial goals. Whether you are a beginner looking to start investing or a seasoned investor seeking a more structured portfolio, WeSave offers a user-friendly platform with robust tools to optimize your investments. One of WeSave's key features is its goal-based investment strategy. The platform allows users to define specific financial goals, whether saving for retirement, a down payment on a home, or building long-term wealth, and creates a tailored portfolio based on your objectives and risk tolerance. It also offers automatic rebalancing, ensuring that your portfolio stays aligned with your goals over time. Another standout feature is its low-cost structure, making it a cost-effective choice compared to traditional wealth management services. The platform uses a combination of low-fee index funds and ETFs, keeping management costs minimal. In terms of strengths, WeSave excels with its user-friendly interface and transparent pricing model, which makes it accessible to newcomers and experienced investors alike. The goal-based approach ensures that your investment strategy evolves with your financial milestones, and the automatic rebalancing feature keeps everything on track with minimal effort. However, WeSave does have some limitations. The platform's investment options are more limited compared to some of its competitors, and there's a lack of advanced tools for those looking for more control over their investments. Additionally, while the fees are low, they may still be slightly higher than those of ultra-basic robo-advisors. Overall, WeSave is a great choice for investors who want a simple, goal-oriented robo-advisor with automated features and low fees. It's perfect for beginners and those who prefer a hands-off investment strategy but might not satisfy advanced investors looking for more customization. If you want a straightforward and affordable way to grow your wealth, WeSave could be the perfect solution. Check out the links in the description for more details, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth reviews on the best robo-advisors.